Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is what I bought in quarantine so far. So there are a couple of websites that I've browsed and would create baskets on, and then I would close the tabs, and then I would go back on it, and then I would want to buy it, and so anyways, yeah, let's get into it. So the first item actually is just something that I've always wanted, and it's something that I feel like would be nice for every day. If I want to just throw on something light, just run errands for instance, I think it would be really nice. Is this jacket here from Columbia. It looks like this. So it's just your standard jacket here, I want to say, and it's really lightweight, nice for spring and summer. And I got that from Mark's Warehouse, and I got it on sale. I've been browsing stores like Sports Trek, etc., and most of the prices weren't as reasonable as this one or as great as Mark's Work Warehouse. Just a basic item that I wanted to add to my wardrobe. The next item, this one is from VANS. So let's open this up. So I bought 2 pairs of the old school style shoes, and the total with shipping came to $184.80. So I actually just bought a pair of the black ones. And this is just to replace my old pair that are now my gardening shoes, but I wanted newer ones so I could wear them on a daily basis. I also bought a white pair, or it's kind of like an off-white. So it is this here. And it does have like a woven detail, which I thought was so cute. And this is just gonna go with all of my lighter outfits. And then also I feel like this would be great for like my work outfits also. I don't normally wear like flats, I like wearing like sneakers. And then this purchase is my Doll Skills purchase. So I got a couple of things from here, just like a handful, and nothing too crazy because I didn't want to go all out on the website. The great thing is I actually got 2 of these items on sale, and then I got a necklace. Okay, so I'm going to show you the biggest purchase first. So this is from Current Mood. Current Mood. This one is the one that I'm most excited for. I thought it was a nice contrast between the all black, but that's what it looks like. And I'm so excited to wear it. I feel like this would be really great, I don't know, for like nights out or for festivals. You could stop around in this. Yeah. And the quality of the boots feel really nice as well. Like it doesn't feel cheaply made. So the next item is also from Current Mood. And this is just a skirt. So I got this in a size large, which I would definitely fit me. But it is like a static, like TV static print. And I thought it was just so freaking cute. Really wanted to get something that was a little different, because I find I never really like buy. So I'll see a lot of clothes and then I'll love them, but then I always have to rethink and say, is it practical, or if I'm gonna wear it, if I can style it with different things or style it with multiple outfits. But you know what, like you only live once, so I decided to buy this because why not? And the last piece is just a choker. It looks, oh no, one of my stars came off. So yeah, clearly this necklace is just like, it feels kind of like cheap. And I'll show you what it looks like on. It looks like this. That would be super cute little piece. Or that concludes all the items that I've gotten so far in the mail. So we do have other items that are coming in. I have 2 shipments coming from Sephora, so I'm going to show you what I purchased as well during the VIB sale. Stay tuned for my next video because I will do an unboxing as well. I will link everything down below in case you're curious and you want to purchase it yourself. And also list the prices of things. So my currency is in Canadian. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Bye.